Hi everyone, this time I will teach you on how to use one of the laws of exponents, which is raising powers to powers. Okay, so let's begin with this example. We have 4xy squared raised to 4. So here what we will do is we will distribute that 4 and multiply that to the exponents of each coefficient inside that parenthesis. So we can see we will consider every coefficient. So for example, the 4 that has an exponent of 1, right? So that's 4 raised to 1 times 4. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So 4 raised to 1 times 4. And then x raised to 1 times 4. And then y raised to 2, or y squared, times 4. So our final answer is 4 raised to 4, x raised to 4, and y raised to 8. Now what is 4 raised to 4? What is the equivalent of that? Well, that means 4 times 4, which is 16, right? Times 4, which is 64, right? Times 4, which is equivalent to 256. So 256, x raised to 4, y raised to 4. So 256, x raised to 4, y raised to 8. That's what I meant. There you go. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, so here we have negative 2, x raised to 4, y, then raised to 2. Okay, so this is negative 2 raised to 2, 1 times 2, x raised to 4 times 2, y raised to 1 times 2. Now, this is very important because some students, they usually type negative 2 raised to an exponent. That is not right. So if the base is negative 2, you need to make sure that it's enclosed in a parenthesis, because if not, you will get the wrong answer, especially if the exponent is even. So here, this means negative 2 squared, x raised to 8, and then y raised to 2. So negative 2 squared means negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4, x raised to 8, and then y squared. That will be our final answer here. So 4x raised to 8, and then y squared. All right, let's go to the last example. Okay, so we have negative 6, x raised to 5, y raised to 4. All right. So negative 6 raised to, that's 1 times 4, x raised to 5 times 4, y raised to 1, there's a 1 there, times 4. So negative 6 raised to 4, x raised to 20, y raised to 4. So our final answer here is negative 6 raised to 4, all right, is equal to what? 6 raised to 4. I'm going to give you the time to answer that. So what's 6 raised to 4? All right, that is correct. It's 1296, or 1296, x raised to 20, y raised to 4. So 1296, x raised to 20, and y raised to 4. There you go.